Alrighty, Chris here with High Seas Cruising. We are on board the Carnival Vista. We have a balcony room here on deck number 6. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a quick tour of the room. Alright, so starting up here by the door, you come into the room. Of course, you got Tiffany already sitting on the couch, relaxing, enjoying some vacation. Let's go over here. We have some cabinets right up here up front. Place to hang some clothes, a second side. Plenty of storage. Also have a nice full-length mirror here behind the door. Gonna move over here into the other cabinet where we have some more shelves, the room safe. Light comes on when you, oh no it doesn't. The light in the ceiling there was triggering me. We've got 3 drawers, the room safe. Come over this way, we have some more shelves, a phone. We have 2 USB ports here on the desk, 2 regular plugs here on the desk, and then the 220 plug here on the desk. Another mirror. Hello, everybody. We have a drawer with the hair dryer in it. Of course, in there you have the mini fridge, all ready to go. Let's swing over here real quick. You have, of course, you have the couch. Couple of pillows, a little coffee table. We have the bed. Now there are no USB plugs on either side of the bed here, just the ones over there on the desk. You have your TV mounted here on the wall. Now technically this is an adjoining room, which is what this door is right there. And we'll head out to the balcony here in just a moment. We're going to head back this way. All right, so on this room, you do have to put your room key in here in order to get the power to come on. You have your thermostat, power switches for the bathroom. All right, so a pretty standard Carnival shower. It's got the shower gel, body wash, shampoo. You have the clothes hanger right here, which pulls out. Normal throne. And I'm going to step here into the shower, as y'all can see, but just to show you guys the vanity, the sink area here. Got extra supplies, tissue paper, and shelving units in here. A pretty standard size Carnival room. Now we did pre-order some water. So we have Tiffany's water is pre-ordered right here. I pre-ordered some soda for first thing in the morning because I like to get up early. I like to have something to drink. So we pre-order those items, have them waiting for us here in the room. All right, we're going to step out here onto our balcony. We got 2 chairs, a little table, and we are looking down here. That right below us is the lanai. And then right over there, you can see the colored umbrellas. That's the cherry on top right there. But this is going to be our view here for the next 7 days. Well, not the cruise port, though. Pretty soon we'll get a much prettier view instead of oil derricks and oil rigs. Come back inside. And that's going to be our room. What do you think, hon?
I think it's a good room. I like the balcony.
You like the balcony?
Yes.
Normally we don't get a balcony.
No.
But this time we did. Carnival actually gave us a really good upgrade price. So one quick last look here at the room.
Plus the balcony will be great when we do the ships at sea.
It's true. All right, so that is our room tour. This is going to be room 6256. So it's a balcony room. We'll see how good this one suits us. Hope you guys did enjoy today's room tour video. If you did, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we'll see you out here on the high seas.